Hello students, today it's my first session with you. I know you have done with your noun topic. Here I just want to add some more information about noun. Please add in your previous work. You have to make a table like this and divide the kinds of noun. I hope you all are aware about noun and its kind. So here you can see that I divide the noun in two parts, that is countable and uncountable. In countable noun we include proper noun, common noun and collective noun, and in uncountable noun we include abstract noun and material noun. Material noun means any kind of material like gold, silver, wood. All these are included in material noun. So here are the some important point you just add in your notebook. First point in countable noun is, after countable noun we can use both singular and plural verbs. Like in example, the boy is playing. Is a singular verb. Boys are playing. Are is plural verb. Now come to the second point. Before countable noun we can use a and the articles. Like in example, a student has come to meet you. An hour is wasted by you. The manager has come. Next point. Before countable noun we use numeral adjective like few, many, more than, a number of, etc. As you see in example, a few people have come. A number of boys were there. So all these points are of countable noun. Now come to the uncountable noun. First point is, uncountable noun always take singular verb. Always take singular verb. Example, water boils at 100 degree. Time is money. Gold is a very precious metal. Now second point, with uncountable noun never use article like a, an. In example, a water is essential for living. We can't use a here. We just write water is essential for living. Next point, we can't make plural of uncountable noun. We can't never make plural of uncountable noun. In example, you can see waters. It's not waters, it's water. Times. It's not times, it's time. Golds. It's not gold. It's not golds, it is gold. Knowledges. It's not knowledge, it's knowledge. So here are some important point. Please add in your notebook and I will send some exercise so that you can easily differentiate between countable noun and uncountable noun. I hope you can understand. Thank you.